Welcome to CloudOps Guru, a complete guide for cloud non-cloud operations. In today's section, we are going to see how you can install Nginx Server on Windows machine and how you can run Nginx Server as a system service on Windows machine. To do this, you need to install a software called Always Up. The Always Up will help you to run Nginx Server as a service, or whenever your system or when your server is rebooting, it will automatically start up the Nginx service. To start with the Nginx installation process, you can go to the nginx.org and you can search for the Windows download. So you'll be able to see the Windows packages there and you can download the latest stable version. Here I downloaded version 1.14.2 that I downloaded to my downloads folder. As I mentioned before, I already installed Always Up in my system. I just open it because I need it in the future steps. In my next step, I'm going to extract the file which I downloaded from the Nginx server, and I'm going to extract this file to a specific directory. I'm going to just install on the C directory under Nginx folder. Let's move to the C folder and Nginx directory, and you will be able to see all the files which is extracted from the Nginx. So and here you will be able to see the executable file, Nginx executable file. If you double click on this file, it will start the Nginx server and you will be able to access it over the browser. But now I'm not going to do that. Instead of that, I'm going to add this into the services. Adding a new service in the Always Up is pretty simple. You have to just click on the icon. So it will open a pop-up window. There you can give the name of the service which you want to display in the Always Up. And next step is you have to just add the executable file of Nginx in this window. Either you can directly paste the information like c:\nginx and nginx.exe, or you can click on that browse button and you can search for that in C drive Nginx and you can just load it right there. So by this way, you just added the executable to the service and you can just pass the directory information, so but which is the start directory for Nginx. So it is basically c:\n and Nginx. Next step is very important. You have to click on the startup tab and you have to enable this option, ensure this Windows networking component I have already loaded. So if you are not selecting this, there might be a chance that your Nginx will fail to start when it reboot. In next step, you have to choose the extra tab and you have to enable use the custom optional command for the stop application. So here you have to pass the executable path of the Nginx server. Then you have to pass a command like -s stop Nginx. That command is needed to stop the server. So the same thing will be used when you are restarting the service also. Now we are set for saving the information. You can just click on the save button and you will be able to see the success button over there. So now you can see the list of services which are running in the Always App. So here you can just click on start all task, or you can just select start Nginx. So that will automatically start the Nginx server. And if you go to the browser, you will be able to see the Nginx in the browser. If you type localhost, it will start listing the Nginx server information. Now let us start for stopping the server. Right click on the service and stop the Nginx. Now you can see that the server is stopped on the service. And if you go and if you click on localhost, or if you refresh the page, you can see that your connection to the server is lost and you can connect to the localhost now. I'm going to start the server again. So I want to show you how it will behave when we are rebooting this server. Let's see that. I'm running this Windows machine in AWS Cloud and I can reboot it from the console. I just did a reboot here. Just wait for a few seconds because it has to reboot it. And finally the reboot is finished and we would be able to connect to the server now. I'm trying to log in. Yeah, we are logged into the server. Let's see, just open the Internet Explorer and we'll type the localhost and see whether Nginx server is automatically got restarted or not. So let me type localhost, enter. Yeah, Nginx is running now. Yeah, this is the advantage of using the service. So even after the reboot, the Nginx system will be able to restart automatically. So if you like the video, please subscribe my channel and share the video with your friends. Thank you.